Facebook?
Because it's your birthday.
It's my birthday.
He's 34.
Thank you. It's my birthday. And we're going to read The Mixed Up Truck by Stephen Savage, one of our favorite authors. And Stephen...
I didn't know it was Stephen Savage.
Yeah, you know what else he wrote?
What?
What do you think he wrote?
I think he wrote The Dump Truck.
Nope. A dump truck.
You know, the Super Truck.
Super Truck!
Super Truck?
And we got our Superman shirt on.
Mm-hmm.
And our Superman shoes.
Hey, Daddy, you didn't tell me about my shirt.
And our Wonder Woman shirt on. And
And
our
our
Wonder
wings.
Woman shoes.
And
Oh,
the
yeah.
wings.
And our wings? Okay, we're going to read. Ready?
Daddy, tell
over
them
here.
that we're at our grandma's celebrating.
Yep, this is our grandma's house. That's why we're sitting at this fireplace. It says, it was the cement mixer's first day on the job. All the other trucks were hard at work. It's a danger construction area. Keep out. The crane was lifting. The dump truck was dumping. The digger was digging. How can I help? Asked the cement mixer. Mix up some powdery white cement, said the trucks. The cement mixer mixed up the white powder, added a little water, and presto!
It says flour.
A cake!
That's what you're having.
Yay, for my birthday!
I hope they have ice cream.
You got mixed up, said the trucks. Go mix up some powdery white cement. The cement mixer mixed up the white powder, added a little water, and presto! Frosting! For the cake!
Sugar. How did I do that for your birthday?
I don't know.
Daddy.
Look at that. He's at a sugar mill now. You got mixed up again, said the trucks. Go mix up some powdery white cement. Now he's at the cement plant. The cement mixer mixed up the white powder, added a little water, and presto, a building! What? Now the trucks were dusty and tired, but the cement mixer needed to get one more load of white powder. The cement mixer mixed up the white powder, added a little water, and presto,